Hey there, travel enthusiast, and welcome back to Atypical Vagabond. Today we have a real treat for you as we explore one of Europe's most charming and hilly capitals, Lisbon, the city of seven hills. I'm your host, Carter, and I can't wait to take you on this incredible journey. All right, I am in the Mouraria. It's the Moorish area, the old Moorish area of Lisbon, and it is definitely a different culture that's going on over here. Definitely a little different feel, different influences that are over here, different people. So it's something to definitely check out. It's a little bit more on the gritty side, so if you're wanting something that's pretty and Instagrammy, this is probably not the place to go. But there are some really cool things to see here that you might enjoy, and I'll show you those things right now. And when I speak of gritty, I'm not saying like it's bad, good, indifferent. Just might not be for some people in my audience. I kind of like going down these different streets, going to different areas, exploring something new, because it's going to be a new experience and it's going to broaden my horizons. So anything new is something that's going to be something that I can put in my brain to store for some later. Might not be something that I need to know right at that moment, but it's something that I can enjoy for what it is and gives me a greater perspective of life. So let's take off. Our adventure begins with a look at Lisbon's geography. This city is like no other, nestled amongst seven stunning hills that provide breathtaking views around every corner. Let's take it all in to one of my favorite viewpoints. Isn't this view in the background just spectacular? But that's not all. Lisbon's hills are dotted with narrow, winding streets, historic neighborhoods, and charming funiculars to help you explore them all. All right, folks, let's talk history. Lisbon has a captivating past that has shaped its unique character. Did you know it's one of the oldest cities in Western Europe? Lisbon has seen everything from the Phoenicians to the Romans, Moors, and the Age of Discovery. I'll discuss more of Lisbon's history in future videos, so if you are interested in learning more about the history, please hit that subscribe button. It helps me out to create more videos.